Steno-legal dictation. Start. The petitioner had further prayed for a direction to the respondents to consider the case of the petitioner by constituting another selection committee excluding the members who earlier considered the claim of the petitioner and to assess his suitability afresh as per his service record for including his name in the select list and to offer him the appointment to the IAS cadre against the vacancies of the year 2011 as per his position with effect from the due date with all the consequential benefits including and allowing him to continue in service up to the age of superannuation, which is 60 years. Full stop. Para. On being put to notice, the respondent number 2, Union Public Service Commission, had filed separate reply. Full stop. The crux of the reply filed by the respondent UPSC was that the averment of the petitioner regarding the 7 vacancies being determined by the Government of India for the year 2011 for IAS cadre of Haryana was not denied. Full stop. It was also not denied that the name of the petitioner was included at serial number 10 in the zone of consideration and that the meeting of the selection committee was held on 29/10/2015. Full stop. However, it was stated in the reply by the UPSC that despite finalization of the select list for the year 2011 for the IAS cadre of Haryana could not be made public due to restraint order passed by the Punjab and Haryana High Court in LPA number 92 of 2014. Full stop. Therefore, the list for the year 2011 was not notified by the UPSC at that time. Full stop. Regarding the merits of the petitioner, only this much was said in the reply filed by the UPSC that the selection committee is not guided merely by the overall grading given in the ACRS of the candidates, but it is required to make overall categorization of the candidate by their own assessment on the basis of the all the entries in the ACRS. Full stop. Beside this, in the reply, reliance was placed upon several judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court to contend that the assessment made by the selection committee is not to be interfered by the tribunal or the court, and further that the tribunal or the court cannot act as an appellate authority over the assessment made by the selection committee. Full stop. It was further claimed that the assessment made by the selection committee is sacrosanct, being based on the satisfaction of the selection committee. Full stop. Thank you.